Back on this 1972 Mercury 65 horse inline 3-cylinder 2-stroke with 2 carbs. So all together on this one, I troubleshooted the ignition system because it originally wasn't getting any spark. That little metal rod that goes on the bottom of the distributor cap that touches the distributor rotor basically busted off in pieces and messed things up inside there. I cleaned everything up inside there, put a new one of those inside there, checked the compression, that was all good. I already troubleshooted the switch box and coil and crap, and that was all good. I put new spark plugs in it, new gear oil, new water pump kit, new fuel pump kit, a couple new fuel lines, ran the engine, tuned the carbs. I can't put this engine in water because the boat sits too far forward. It needs to come back for me to actually be able to put it in water and run it that way. I'm using my gas tank and my hose, clear gas, 50-to-1 mix. I'm using my battery, but yeah, fire right up and running good. There's reverse. Back to neutral. Running good. I'm gonna put the cover and everything back on. I don't have it on right now because you have to disconnect the steering rod to be able to get this bad mamma jamma on and off. But I'm gonna put everything back together on it, run it again, and then see if the customer from California wants me to take it out to Cooper Creek and test run it out there before they come up and pick it up or not.